Tired of static Excel charts that never update when your data changes? Let's fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to create a dynamic donut chart in Excel, one that automatically updates the moment your numbers change. Perfect for tracking sales, goals, or project progress. Let's jump right in. Let's start simple. In cell C3, type your completion value, for example, 65%. Now, in cell D3, type this formula equals 1 minus C3. Hit enter, and Excel automatically calculates the remaining portion. Go to the Insert tab. From the Charts group, click Pie or Donut Chart, and select Donut Chart. Now, right-click on the chart, and click Select Data. This is where we'll refine what the chart shows. Click Add Series. Select Series Name. Then the series values set 10 equal segments in the donut chart. Click OK to confirm. Let's make it pop. Right-click on the chart, go to Format Data Series, and fill it with a bold color like green. Set the donut hole size to around 60%. This gives it a cleaner, more modern look. Again, right-click the chart, then go to Select Data. Click Add to include another series. For the series name, choose your completed and remaining cells. Replace the series values with your actual percentage data. Then hit OK again. Next, right-click the chart and choose Change Chart Type. In the pop-up, check the box for secondary axis beside the completed and remaining series. This layers your chart properly. Click OK. Finally, double-click the completed segment and set its fill to No Fill. Then click the remaining segment and make it light gray. And reduce transparency for a subtle fade effect. Now your donut looks sleek, modern, and ready for dashboards. Now for the magic. Go to the Insert tab. Click Text Box, and draw a box right in the center of your donut. Click the text box, go up to the formula bar, and type equals C3. Hit Enter. Now this text box is linked to your completion value. Now, format it nicely. Make it bold, increase the font size, and center it perfectly. Test it out. Change the value in C3 from 65% to 80%. And watch both the chart and the center number update instantly. You've just built a dynamic, auto-updating donut chart, no VBA, no macros, no manual edits. And that's it. If this saved you time or gave you new ideas, hit like, share it with your team, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more quick and powerful Excel tutorials.